If you're looking at providing your home or business with satellite internet, you may have heard the tale of the huge amounts of equipment you need to access the internet. And while this may have been true of some satellite internet providers, say 15 years ago, the technology has advanced so rapidly in the past few years that the equipment has been incredibly streamlined and simplified, especially by the companies like HughesNet. HughesNet Gen5 Internet really does require very little equipment. All you need is a small satellite dish to receive the internet signal and a modem that sends your home's internet signal out to all of your devices. And you may hear satellite dish and think about some massive eyesore that must hang off the top of your house. But HughesNet satellite dishes are now much smaller and can be ground mounted or house mounted. But with HughesNet, you don't even have to worry about that because all of their internet services will be installed by a professional installation expert who will work with you to find the perfect spot for your dish to get you the best signal and the best looking spot. And plus, for a limited time, Hughes is offering free standard installation so you don't pay a dime. And on the modem side, that same professional installation expert will help you locate a central location near power to place your router so that all of your favorite devices will have a strong signal. They will help you find the best place so that every room will be filled with your high-speed Wi-Fi signal. HughesNet even offers modem rentals for only $14.99 a month and will connect some of your most used devices for you so you don't have to lift a finger. And all in all, the equipment needed for high-speed HughesNet Gen5 Internet is very limited and can be completely provided by HughesNet. A professional installation expert will explain the whole process and set everything up for you so you don't have to spend time troubleshooting. And if you're ready to make the switch to HughesNet, call today and take advantage of their free standard installation offer, as well as a free $75 gift card courtesy of Satellite for Internet when you mention the promo code SAT75.